Ever wondered how to transform your photos into eye-catching animated videos without spending a dime? Meet Deep Dream Generator, the free AI tool that turns images into stunning animations. Let me show you step by step how to bring your visuals to life. Step 1. Visit the Deep Dream Generator website. Open your browser and search for Deep Dream Generator image to video. Click the official link to land on their homepage. Step 2. Create your free account. To begin, click on Sign Up and create an account using your email or Google. Once signed up, log in to access the tools. Step 3. Upload your image. After logging in, you'll see the dashboard. Click on Generate and select Deep Style to start animating your image. Upload the image you want to transform into a video. Step 4. Choose an animation style. Deep Dream Generator offers several animation styles. These include artistic effects, like surreal or dreamlike visuals, dynamic animations that make your image come alive. Choose a style based on your creative vision. For instance, select the wave style to add flowing movement to your image. Step 5. Adjust settings, fine-tune the animation by adjusting. Intensity. How strong or subtle you want the animation to appear. Duration. Set the length of the video from 5 to 10 seconds. Aspect ratio. Choose between square, landscape, or portrait modes. These settings help personalize the video to your needs. Step 6. Generate your video. Once all settings are configured, hit the Generate button. Deep Dream Generator will process your image and create an animated video. Depending on your settings, this may take a few minutes. Let's skip ahead to the results. Step 7. Preview and download. Your video is now ready. Preview the animation to ensure it meets your expectations. If it looks good, click on the download button to save it in high quality. Congratulations! You've just created a video for free. Deep Dream Generator is a fantastic tool for creating artistic videos from images. And the best part, it's completely free. Try it today and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing AI content. Thanks for watching and happy creating.